I was awestruck during the assembly. It was absolutely amazing. The entire cafeteria full of third and fourth grade students. You could hear a pin drop. They were so quiet. They were so engaged. And when my students came back from the assembly, the first thing they did was they wanted to write Mr. P's thank you notes. They said that it was inspirational, it was the best assembly they had ever seen, and they were just very motivated to capture their thoughts on his message. And then they were all signing each other's thank you notes and saying to each other, wait, it's like we're making a social contract. And then someone else said, wait, we need to make a new social contract with Mr. Peace's message on it. So quickly the students started getting together, drawing the heart, drawing the hands, drawing the M, and writing down new words for our new social contract. And they completely transformed their understanding of what it means to work together and be there for each other. It was amazing.